Hey there! Welcome to Power Process Electrical Engineering Tech. Today we will know advanced controllers Siemens automation. First, make sure you subscribe and like the video. Siemens, a well-known automation company, offers a range of advanced controllers that cater to various industrial automation applications. Some of the notable advanced controllers provided by Siemens include SIMATIC S7-1500. This is a high-performance programmable logic controller, PLC, designed for complex automation tasks. It features a powerful CPU, various communication options, and supports advanced programming languages like Structured Control Language, SCL, and Function Block Diagram, FBD. SIMATIC S7-1200. This is a compact and scalable PLC suitable for small to medium-sized automation projects. It offers integrated technology functions and communication options to ensure efficient automation solutions. SIMATIC S7-300 and S7-400. These are robust PLC systems designed for medium to large-scale automation projects. They offer a wide range of modules and features to handle complex control tasks in various industries. SIMATIC S7 PLUXIM Advanced. This is a simulation software used to emulate and test PLC programs before actual implementation. It helps in reducing commissioning time and improving overall system reliability. SIMATIC PCS7. This is a distributed control system, DCS, that provides process control and automation for large-scale industrial processes. It offers advanced process visualization, engineering tools, and seamless integration with other automation components. SIMATIC ET200SP. This is a modular, distributed I/O system that can be easily integrated into a variety of automation applications. It allows for flexible expansion and efficient communication with the main PLC. SIMATIC ET200MP. This is another modular, distributed I/O system designed for demanding industrial environments. It is particularly suitable for applications that require high performance and fast response times. TIA Portal, Totally Integrated Automation Portal. While not a controller itself, TIA Portal is Siemens' integrated engineering software that supports programming and configuration of their advanced controllers. It provides a unified engineering environment for PLC, HMI, human-machine interface, and other automation tasks. Siemens Advanced Controllers are known for their reliability, scalability, and extensive connectivity options, making them suitable for a wide range of industrial automation applications. They are commonly used in manufacturing, process industries, transportation, energy, and other sectors where precise and efficient control is essential. Keep in mind that the specific model and features you might need will depend on the complexity and requirements of your automation project.